Alright, so we got the copyrighted banjo music in the background, but we're back here once again. And I got a different friend group here. We got Alex, Joseph, Brandon, and Brian. Seems like we're about to ride Silver Bullet. We just rode Silver Bullet. And we're about to go to Accelerator, we'll see. Right there. Alright, so I'm here with Joseph and everyone else. I just rode Accelerator. It was not that bad. I should have took Waleed's word like 4 years ago. Yeah, it was not that bad at all. The beginning hurt a little bit, but I give it that's 8 out of 10. A copyrighted music out of 10. Alright guys, so we just rode the log ride, and guess who sat in the front?
Seems like we've been hit by the monster who attacked my boat. We need to get rid of it.
Gosh, you look pretty hot.
Let's go back to the surface.
My hands hurt so much.
Woohoo! You did it! You saved the port! Finally! This is my favorite spot again! Well done!
Oh! Oh, ouch! Oh, dang! Oh, God. Ah, my chest! I'm fucking Brandon!
Oh god.